Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This BMW X1 crossover is available here in the popular SE trim, along with exterior white paint. Being a BMW, it's got stylish looks not just on the outside but on the inside as well. You also benefit from LED daytime running lights, as well as prominent badging throughout and crossover looks. The car will also feature these silver alloy wheels to complement the overall look, and the headlights are automatic with these LED daytime running lights and fog lights on offer. Power opening and closing tailgate will make life a lot easier, and seats can be folded down 40-20-40 split to create even more space. There's also a hidden compartment underneath too. Two-tone cloth upholstery in the rear is available in front and also offers a center armrest with cup holders as well as two ISOFIX chat anchor points. Leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel is available for the driver, and front seats will offer additional side lumbar support for added comfort. The BMW infotainment system is an absolute joy to use, fully controlled by a rotary dial in the center armrest, featuring AM, FM and DAB radio, as well as a sound system that can be optimized to individual tastes. Pairing your phone is also incredibly easy and will allow you to stay in touch with all your family and friends. Built-in satellite navigation will also ensure you never get lost when traveling on unfamiliar roads. Other great features will incorporate the ConnectedDrive system and BMW Assistance, and there's also various information to know about your vehicle. For example, its service history can be fully stored and pulled up at any given moment. To ensure you can easily park and not scratch your bumpers, there's also reverse parking sensors on offer too. RAC Extended Warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.